Hello, my name is Simon Kassar. I'm the owner of FlexSweep. Thanks for watching this little program on our exciting new FlexSmart Inserts. We guarantee this insert will never ever break. It's the first known telescopic handle system that won't break. Now, the tube that it goes into, we don't guarantee that. And right now we offer a really cool carbon fiber, awesome aerospace carbon fiber, but if you do step on it real hard, you could collapse it. We also going to have an aluminum tube that's coming out, and it's going to be significantly lower cost, and we really like to see you guys pick that up. But anyways, the concept is you have these FlexSmart inserts that just slide into this tube, guaranteed this insert will never break. Have it for a push broom. This goes on to our really cool, exciting squeegee. It goes on to our exciting push broom. And then we have our AutoFlex dust mop that will slide into. And this goes onto all kinds of different types of frames. And you've probably seen this product. And then we also now are offering even an Acme thread. Just a standard Acme thread. Again, insert in there. And also a regular wet mop attachment that will also be offered as a FlexSmart insert. Now we're really excited about the multi-flex handle system because this guy allows you now to snap onto multiple different types of cleaning tools, particularly our little scrub brush that has scrapers on both sides, so you flip it over and you can scrape, and it's an incredibly awesome swivel scrub. It also doesn't flip over. It actually has this little bump here that stops from any type of flip over. And so it's more stable than any other swivel scrub out on the market, guaranteed. And then also this multi-flex snaps onto multiple different types of flat mops. 9-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, and we will even go larger later on. And you can also use a small one for putting on an abrasive pad. So the doodle bug is gone. You can now use this as your doodle bug, and you can then swap it out to a flat mop. Really excited to see you guys pick up these products. Thank you for watching. Cheers from FlexSweep.